How to change page orientation in Canva. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Canva. Here, click on resize at the top left corner of your screen. After you've clicked on resize at the top left corner of your screen, you'll find all these options pop up. From the option, click on resize, which is the first option. After you've clicked on resize, select the width you want, or you can click on custom and select the one you prefer. From here, you can choose portrait or landscape as you want and press on change at the bottom, but this is only available if you have the pro version. And this is how to change page orientation in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.